Have you ever thought about starting a chicken farm? The prospect can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and resources, it can turn into a rewarding venture. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. The first step is research and planning. Understanding different chicken breeds and their unique characteristics is essential. Whether your focus is meat production, egg laying, or both, the choice of breed plays a significant role. Equally important is deciding on the scale of your farm and the type of housing you'll provide for your chickens. A comprehensive business plan that includes budgeting, market analysis, and operational details will set a solid foundation for your venture. Next, you need to secure land and infrastructure. This includes acquiring suitable land that is zoned for farming, setting up housing structures that are well ventilated, secure, and easy to clean, and ensuring access to clean water, feed storage, and waste disposal facilities. Procuring quality chicks is the third step. Purchase healthy day-old chicks from reputable hatcheries. The breed characteristics, growth rate, and resistance to diseases are factors to consider during this process. Feeding and nutrition come next. A well-balanced feed program suitable for the age and purpose of your chickens is crucial. Remember, access to clean water at all times is non-negotiable. The health management of your flock is another significant aspect. Regular health checks, quarantining new birds, and implementing biosecurity measures will minimize the risk of disease transmission. Now, let's touch on disease prevention. Working with a veterinarian to develop a vaccination program based on local disease risks is a good start. Newcastle disease, Marek's disease, and infectious bronchitis are common diseases that vaccines are available for. Biosecurity measures such as controlling access to your farm, providing footbaths and hand-washing facilities, and keeping equipment clean and disinfected are also important. Parasite control is a must. Implement a program for controlling internal and external parasites and regularly deworm your chickens as per veterinary recommendations. Maintaining sanitation by keeping a clean and dry environment reduces the risk of disease. Regular cleaning and disinfection of housing and equipment are essential. Observation and early detection of diseases can save your flock. Recognize signs of illness in chickens and act quickly if you notice any abnormal behavior or symptoms. Lastly, keep detailed records of vaccinations, treatments, and any unusual observations. These records are invaluable for disease diagnosis and prevention. Starting a chicken farm may seem challenging, but with these steps and strategies, you're well on your way to establishing a successful farming venture. Remember, disease prevention is complex, and it's crucial to work closely with a veterinarian and follow local regulations and guidelines. Regular monitoring and prompt action are key to maintaining a healthy flock.